guys, Ralph here. Now, I'm doing a video. I've been sitting on this for months now. Actually, I can't remember when I actually got this into the garage. I got it off of Freegal, which the amount of times I say their name doesn't make my problems with Freegal go away. Apparently they think I'm selling stuff on YouTube. God knows how you sell stuff on YouTube. But hey ho, all I do is do retros, rebuilds, destruction, or just faff. I don't make any money out on this anyway, so yeah. So if you're watching Freegal, yeah. So I've been sitting on this one for a while. I got this from somebody donated it from Bentley in Doncaster, and it is an Xbox 360. Now I've never had one of these. I got the original Xbox, and you've seen the videos for that one, obviously. But it's not in bad condition. She says the owner of this one said, well, you want it, there's a problem with the CD drive, which apparently doesn't open, but also this slot stays, doesn't, yeah. You're up and this is downwards, so I can't really show you, but the it doesn't stay closed. But here you go. See, I've never had one of these, so I don't. Oh, USB in there. No idea if this works or not. It came with a 250 gig hard drive. It did come attached. So is it back on first? See, again, don't know if that works or not. And a power supply. Now I did actually have to buy a connector for this. So it's not. I've just put off doing this. But let's have a try. It's a right brick, isn't it? It's a right power brick, that one. So I don't know if this works or not, but that's plugged into the wall. I'll assume there's a light on this somewhere. Yeah, that one yellow. So let's plug this in. Where the hell does this go? Oh, bottom. No. Yeah. Right, the front shows nothing. So let me turn TV over. Get a bit better view. Right, what channel have I got the Xbox on? I don't know. Let's turn her on. Light's green. It's good. On DVI channel 1. Trying to tune the TV in. SCART, no. Ah. Missing door. What? And this shouldn't sign in anyway, because it's not got a user. Well, I thought there wasn't a user on that. I do already have an Xbox 360 controller, so this came with the Xbox. The two Xboxes I bought, the black one and the second silver one, the crystal one. So I'm guessing then you plug this into the front, right way around. Okay. Okay, it's flashed up, but no, it didn't. I have one of these controllers for the for playing Elite Dangerous on. Are you gonna boot up or not? Okay, let's turn this off. Well, this isn't the yellow ring of death, orange ring of death, or whatever it is. It's still whirring. Did it not shut down quick or something? There you go. Let's get rid of that. Now wait a minute. If I can. Right, let's try booting it up with the controller on. That looks better. What do you think? Controls on 1. Why isn't the TV come on? Will I change channels? Probably will have done. No. PC, DVD. So the good thing about this TV is it's got so many different modes. Well, let's find the, there you go. Once it just turn itself off from it. So it's not full HD then. Why won't this work? I'm thinking we've got a cable problem with this. Yeah. Yeah. We got a cable issue. It's like it's cracked on there. Yeah, there's a split on the cable. Well, that's okay, I can repair that, I can take that out and redo. Done controls before, it's not a problem. I can bring the other one downstairs. So at the meantime, let's see if I can get this nearly working. It's a shame if it doesn't. It definitely works, but so while we're here, let's press the eject, see what happens with the... Okay. So that is the problem. I have no idea what I'm doing. Honestly. Well, that's spinning around the front. Is that normal? Am I meant to be like that? I mean, I'm not being daft, but I've never had one of these yet. I assume that's for the Wi-Fi. I assume it's just... I assume it's just stuck in. Okay, I'd like to have actually gone on to the Xbox Live part, but I think this needs more stripping down, especially the controller to work with it. I do have a wireless, but I haven't got no batteries. I don't know how to do this. I'm guessing the Miss Door 272 is the original user for this Xbox. So thank you very much for that. If I ever get on Xbox Live, because this does work, just the bloody controller doesn't, then I'll try and send a thank you to you. But yeah. So this actually works, but the door tray doesn't. Obviously, I'm not fully fussed about if the tray doesn't spit out a CD anyway. Didn't you have a download on the Xbox store or something? It's a little bit dirty on there. Let's have a look at, see why it's dirty like that. If it's just a bit of rubbish on there. Hope it's a scratch. Yeah, it's a scratch. Nothing I can do about that. The whole thing works anyway, so good find. So that's a good, it does work, I just need to start getting into it. So yeah, really good find, that one. Thanks very much for donating it. Like and subscribe please. I'll get on with doing stuff for this, and the controller needs to be looked at and probably rewired. I'll probably cut the wire anyway and redo it. But brilliant. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you next video. Bye.